Hello everyone, welcome to this guided visualization for stress relief. Let us begin by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Bring your awareness to your breath. Take a few moments to allow yourself to take several nice long deep breaths. Notice the cool air coming in, filling your lungs, and the soothing warm air going out. Just let all your thoughts float away as you bring your attention to your breathing. You can mentally scan your body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes and notice if you are holding any tension in your muscles. If you are, just gently let all that tension melt away with every out breath. Stay with your breath in and out, in and out. Let yourself feel more and more comfortable sitting where you are. In your mind's eye, see yourself descending down a long, narrow wooden stairway towards a beautiful, inviting beach. Your bare feet feel the rough, weathered steps, and with each step, you feel more and more tension gently melting away from your body. As you continue down the stairway, you notice how the bright white sand stretches down the shoreline as far as you can see. The ocean is a deep shade of blue with waves sweeping towards the shore. You reach the end of the stairway and step down, sinking into the warm, soothing sand. As you rub the sand lightly between your toes, a soothing sensation of relaxation gently melts through your entire body. The roaring sound of the sea surfs, the waves crashing over each other, calms your mind and allows you to feel even more relaxed. You begin walking slowly towards the edge of the water and notice the warm sun on your face and shoulders. The salty smell of the sea invigorates you, and you take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out, feeling more relaxed and refreshed. Finally, you reach the water's edge and you gladly invite the waves to flow over your toes and ankles. You watch the waves glide smoothly towards you, gently sweeping around your feet and the trails of the sea water that flow slowly back out again. The cool water feels soft and comforting as you enjoy a few moments, allowing yourself to gaze out on the far-reaching horizon. Overhead, you notice two seagulls gracefully soaring high above the ocean water, and you can hear their soft cries becoming faint as they glide away. And all of these sights, sounds, and sensations allow you to let go and relax more and more. After a moment, You begin strolling down the beach at the water's edge. You feel a cool, gentle breeze pressing lightly against your back, and with every step, you feel yourself relaxing more and more. As you walk down the beach, you notice the details of sights and sounds around you. The soothing sensation of the sun, the breeze, and the sand between your feet. As you continue your leisurely walk down the beach, you notice a colorful beach chair resting in a nice, peaceful spot where the soft sand lies undisturbed. You approach this comfortable looking beach chair and then you sit down, lie back, and settle in. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly and feel even more relaxed and comfortable resting in your chair. For a few moments more, let yourself enjoy the sights and sounds of this beautiful day at the beach. And when you are ready, you can gently bring your attention back to the room, still letting yourself feel nice and comfortable where you are sitting.